Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. It is day 5 of my Advent Calendar series featuring Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. So let's go ahead and dive in. We are on day 5 and box number 5 is up here. So I'm going to go ahead and open that one up. This looks like it might be an embossing folder. That's going to be cute. Yep, we've got us an embossing folder. Let me go ahead and get that out, and then we are going to make something with this. Decided I'm going to use the stamps from a couple of days ago. I think this was day 2. Anyway, I'm going to use those, and I'm stamping these out in some Simon Hurley Remember Me ink. I think that'll be pretty with this blue-green. And I'm using my MISTI to make sure that I get everything lined up perfectly and I don't get any stamp ghosting. We don't like stamp ghosting. Okay, one more should do it. Okay, that looks good. However, I'm not sure that I've got enough wet ink down, so I'm also going to go over it with my WOW embossing ink. So I'm going to clean off the stamp real quick, and then we can stamp it down in the embossing ink and then do some clear embossing over the top. That looks like it's covered pretty good. So I'll go ahead and heat it with my heat gun until it's all melted. And next I just fussy cut out both the sentiment and this floral image. Next, I'm going to pop up both of those onto some foam tape, and I cut a lot of little bitty pieces because of all those little leaves. So let me get the last of these, and then I can put those down all down onto my card. Since I'm using a colored card base, this one is A2 size, I cut a piece of cardstock, white cardstock, a little bit smaller, so this one's down to 4 by 5 1/4, and I'm going to put it on the inside, placing it on the front, on the back of the front, and then just closing my card, and that should put it right in the center there, right where I want it. So now I've got a place to write in there before sending this off. And then I'm going to add a few little gems, actually some sequins, to my card just to finish it off. And that's going to finish off this project using one of the days from the Advent Calendar from Spellbinders. This was day 5? Is it day 5? My days are running together, guys. Sorry about that. Yes, this one was day 5, and it was this real sweet little embossing folder that adds that perfect little accent to the bottom of the card. You guys have a great day. I will see you tomorrow at 4 p.m. Eastern for day 6 of my Advent Calendar series. And you can also check out the playlist below to see all of the projects in the Advent Calendar series. You guys have a great day, and I will see you later. Bye, guys.